So today I'm going to talk about Spark object in Databricks, and we are going to cover a few things, and these are database object in Lakehouse. So basically there are 5 objects. First one is metastore. On metastore we have catalog have a schema. So if you are accessing table, we need to provide all 3: schema, catalog, metastore. Okay, so in the schema we have table, view, and function. Okay, so metastore have the catalog have a schema is nothing but database have table is 2 type, which is managed table and external table. Then we have view. So again, managed table store in metastore, external table is stored in external location of AWS, so GCP any cloud infrastructure. And database object lakehouse, the function view also can be temporary or global temporary view. So we are going to talk about the introduction. So let's talk about introduction. So I'm going to talk about 2.1, right? So this lesson we are going to learn about the use the Spark SQL directly query from file. Okay. So this one I just ran before, and this is my function. Here already run in this file, and then after running this command you will see this file function is 2.0 classroom setup. So we can go here and see in the another one, and this is function. What did this do? Just I'm running the external function. If you don't know, I'm going to share this one in the GitHub and link. So basically it's config is name schema true first this one, and this is loading from data from Kafka event. So da.path.kafka da.racer. So da is this one. DB Academy, the configuration is coming from lesson config, and course config, there is a course config file also. So we are passing here, and then we are passing the file is like this. This is conclude setup of advertising to environment changes. And if you want to learn for what this is doing, then you can use the ChatGPT and paste here. You can see the many things. So let's explore. And then this one this is example of row Kafka JSON files. Each file contain records during the 5-second interval, the full data of Kafka. So this column is key, value, topic, partition, offset, timestamp field. Key, value, offset, timestamp. And then we are reading here. So Python file, and this is SQL. So we need to do this one, Kafka name. So we are printing this is Kafka and database. So da.path of Kafka events. This is like database academy. This is the path, and dbutl fs lsd. So this is just accessing Databricks the file system. We have database to file system, and we have this one. So if you want to access anything, we can need to go like this. So this is the file, and file name is JSON. Size is this one, and so it should be here somewhere in my query. So querying single format, so file format. So we can query like this way, file format dot path file. Creating from JSON dot this one also we can query like this. Querying from directory, we can also query like directory in Databricks. Creating a reference, create or replace view this one, and select start from JSON dot this table, and this from this table we can run. Create a temporary, so we can create a replace temp view, then this name, then select start from. We can also do apply CT reference. So with this is short format, create a temporary view or something, that is syntax CT, and this is what they are doing. Extra exact text file rows, select start from text. So this is the row in the text file, and like this dot text we will say. If we say dot say JSON, it will come in correct format. If text means it's like key value parameter 4. Except row byte in meta files, binary file, and this Kafka event. So this is path, this is modify file, length, and events. In Python da.cleanup, it will clean everything. So yeah, this one we need to learn more. So here I ran, and this one is 2.0. Okay, so let's go through what it did. It is also has a schema and same, and UOS time SQLite, and this is the path. Databricks and read, creating user and this is file setup basically, nothing much. Create table if exists. It's the internal table, and then command, then read.parquet. This is data frame reading data source path, replace DFS with the DFS, and ToSQL is converted into ToSQL to fs.move. It will move here. So these are syntax which we need to learn, and then here I run, right? So select start from. It's not running, so because I think we need to run all together, otherwise it will not run. So how we usually run, this is full command is running this one, then it will run. It take time. Second, skipping all install and Databricks Academy, creating, choosing. So create view. So this one already created. It's running, and so this is a very good example reading from Kafka. So there are various things which we need to provide. I think you can go and practice, and I'm also going to practice because I'm new here. In Databricks, I'm very good in SQL and Python, but they use some different syntax which we need to explore. So please like and subscribe my channel.